25 years, Discount Best Blinds and Shutters has been providing all types of window coverings at its Santa Rosa facility. Customers can choose from a wide variety of blinds, shutters, drapery, curtains, and shades made by industry-leading manufacturer Hunter Douglas, as well as other local family-owned vendors such as Lennox Interior, Motips, and Hauser Shades. Owner Phil Geekos says he chose the name Discount Best Blinds and Shutters for one simple reason: to offer discounted prices on the best window coverings available on the market. In addition to carrying limited lifetime warranties, Hunter Douglas products are Green Guard approved, which means all materials are made in the United States and have no off-gassing. Discount Best Blinds and Shutters' entire staff, from sales to office to installation, has been trained by Hunter Douglas. They believe in treating customers the way they want to be treated, with fairness, honesty, and the best products at affordable prices. Discount Best Blinds and Shutters is proud of the professional products and services it provides, and it takes its long-term commitment to the community seriously. The company's ultimate goal is to make it affordable for every customer to purchase high-quality window coverings.